This is what it is, okay? I said, empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.
Bruce Lee's philosophy, often referred to as Jeet Kune Do, goes beyond martial arts and extends into a broader philosophy of life. One of his famous quotes, "Be like water, my friend," encapsulates a key aspect of his philosophy. Here are some key principles of Bruce Lee's philosophy. Adaptability, be like water. The metaphor of water reflects Bruce Lee's emphasis on adaptability and flexibility. Water takes the shape of its container, and Bruce encouraged individuals to be adaptable in the face of challenges. Being like water means flowing with the circumstances, adapting to change, and moving smoothly through life's challenges. Personal liberation and self-expression. Bruce Lee believed in self-expression and the idea that individuals should not be confined by rigid structures. He created Jeet Kune Do as a martial arts philosophy that emphasizes practicality, directness, and simplicity. He encouraged individuals to express themselves freely, both in martial arts and in life, constant learning and growth. Lee was a lifelong learner and advocated the continuous pursuit of knowledge. He believed in absorbing what is useful and discarding what is not. This idea promotes an open-minded approach to learning and growth, encouraging individuals to be receptive to new ideas and experiences, individuality and non-conformity. Bruce Lee urged people to discover their own path and not be confined by traditional styles or conventions. He emphasized the importance of self-discovery and understanding one's unique strengths and weaknesses. This philosophy encourages non-conformity and the pursuit of one's authentic self, efficiency and simplicity. In martial arts and life, Bruce Lee advocated for efficiency and simplicity. He believed in eliminating the unnecessary and focusing on what works. This principle encourages individuals to streamline their actions, thoughts, and lifestyles, discarding unnecessary complexity. Mind-body unity. Bruce Lee emphasized the connection between the mind and body. He believed that true mastery involves aligning mental and physical aspects, fostering harmony between thought and action. This unity allows individuals to perform at their best in all aspects of life. No limits. Bruce Lee rejected limitations, both physical and mental. He believed that limits are often self-imposed, and by breaking through these limitations, individuals can achieve their full potential. This philosophy encourages a mindset of pushing boundaries and realizing one's capabilities. Overall, Bruce Lee's philosophy is a holistic approach to life that encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. It encourages a mindset of adaptability, continuous learning, self-expression, and the pursuit of personal growth.